department has no obligation to produce a document that's
then you have no evidence to rely on. Competent substantial evidence will require that you produce it. And if you open your mouth and make an utterance to its existence, I'll calibrate. Oh, you will produce it. So she needs to produce it. It's not in the record.
Okay, go on with your argument, sir, and your facts and your evidence.
Okay, well, it's a fact that it's a fact. I understand that, Mr. Den. Please, let's not try to obstruct my record. It's a fact that the initial complaint was not served within 120 days. It is a fact that the record is void of a initial petition or complaint filed by Monica Smallwood on behalf of Monica Smallwood. Also, the record shows that the state of North Carolina allegedly, some kind of way before you all changed it, filed a petition, filed the amended ERISA petition. It still wasn't served within the 120 days, and it never went back. And interestingly, at the time, Chapter 88, also before they changed the rule, did not allow jurisdiction to be garnered by virtue of the petition by itself. Back in 1997. So just for your edification. Now, I want you to take mandatory judicial notice again of this case, the Con versus Con case as reversible error to fail to include the child support guidelines worksheet in the final judgment establishing paternity and child support, and that's Department of Revenue Ex Relation RSM versus BJM, and that's 127 SO3D 859, 861. That came out of the second DCS 2013, so it still would be reversible at this point. And by the way, because the filing of a child support guidelines worksheet is mandatory, reversal is required even if the omission is due to the party's failure to comply with the rule. And the 12.285 has been in existence since, I guess, the Supreme Court started back in whenever, 75, which is as far back as I could go, is like 90, whatever it was. But anyway, go to the Durham case and go to 850 SO2D at 654. And by the way, Mr. Denton, since you did look at the child support final order, I believe it's like 4 pages, correct? Final judgment.
Yeah, I'm familiar with the order.
Okay, okay, I'm glad you said that.